When you're working on a construction project, accuracy is everything. A small alignment mistake can turn into a major problem later. Crooked cabinets, uneven tiles, and misaligned drywall can ruin the final look of a project and cost valuable time to fix. That's exactly why professional contractors rely on laser levels to keep their work precise and efficient. In modern construction, laser levels have replaced many traditional measuring tools. Instead of constantly checking measurements with bubble levels and chalk lines, a laser level can project a perfectly straight reference line across an entire room. This allows installers to work faster while maintaining a high level of precision. But here's the real question many builders and DIY renovators ask. Do you really need to spend a huge amount of money on a professional laser level, or can a more affordable tool still deliver reliable results? That's what we're going to find out in today's review. In this video, we're taking a close look at the Huepar 603CG, a green beam multi-line laser level that has become increasingly popular among contractors, installers, and renovation professionals. This tool is designed to help with tasks like tile installation, cabinet alignment, drywall framing, electrical layout, and many other construction applications. One of the reasons this laser level has gained attention is because it offers features that are usually found in more expensive professional tools. It includes a three-plane 360-degree laser system, which means it can project a full horizontal line around the room, as well as two vertical laser planes for alignment work. The tool also uses green laser technology, which is significantly brighter than traditional red laser beams. This makes the laser lines easier to see across larger spaces and in brighter indoor environments. Another important feature is the self-leveling system. Once the tool is placed on a surface, the internal pendulum mechanism automatically adjusts the laser lines to ensure they remain perfectly level. This saves time and helps prevent measurement errors during installation. Throughout this review, we'll explore every important detail of this tool. We'll look at the build quality, laser brightness, accuracy, and real job site performance. By the end of the video, you'll know whether the Huepar 603CG is a smart investment for your toolbox. But before we continue with the full review, if you enjoy detailed construction tool reviews like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This channel focuses on professional construction tools, job site technology, and equipment that helps builders work faster and more accurately. Now let's move forward and take a closer look at the design and laser technology of the Huepar 603CG. Build quality and laser technology. When it comes to construction tools, durability matters just as much as accuracy. A laser level might produce perfectly straight lines, but if it cannot survive the conditions of a real job site, it quickly becomes useless. That is why build quality is one of the first things professionals evaluate when purchasing a laser level. The Huepar 603CG is designed with a rugged outer housing that feels solid in the hand. The body is protected by shock-resistant rubber overmolding that helps absorb small drops and impacts. This type of protection is important because tools on construction sites are often moved frequently and sometimes accidentally knocked over. The control buttons are positioned on the top panel, making them easy to access while working. Each button has a firm tactile response, which is useful when operating the tool while wearing work gloves. Now let's talk about the most important component, the laser technology itself. The Huepar 603CG uses green laser diode technology, which is significantly brighter than traditional red laser beams. Green lasers are easier for the human eye to detect, especially in bright indoor environments. This improved visibility allows installers to see the reference lines clearly even across larger rooms. This multi-line system is extremely helpful because it reduces the need for repeated measurements. Once the laser is properly positioned, the lines act as a constant visual guide for the entire installation process. Overall, the design philosophy behind the Huepar 603CG focuses on delivering strong visibility, flexible layout options, and job site-ready durability. Accuracy testing and calibration. Accuracy is the most critical feature of any laser level. Even a small deviation can create visible alignment issues during installation. The Huepar 603CG is designed to provide reliable accuracy within a typical indoor working range. According to manufacturer specifications, the tool delivers approximately plus or minus 3 millimeters accuracy at 10 meters, which is a common standard for mid-range construction laser levels. But specifications only tell part of the story. In real job site situations, contractors want to know how consistently a tool maintains its accuracy over time. The Huepar 603CG uses an internal self-leveling pendulum system. When the device is placed on a surface that is slightly uneven, the pendulum automatically adjusts the internal laser alignment until the projected lines become perfectly level. This process typically takes only a few seconds. If the tool is placed outside of its leveling range, the laser lines will flash to alert the user that adjustment is required. This feature prevents incorrect measurements and helps avoid installation mistakes. Calibration stability is another important factor. Tools that frequently lose calibration require constant adjustments, which slows down work. Fortunately, the Huepar 603CG maintains stable alignment during typical indoor construction tasks, such as drywall installation, tile work, and cabinetry layout. For professional users, this level of accuracy is more than sufficient for most interior construction applications.
To truly understand the value of a laser level, it's important to see how it performs in real construction scenarios. One of the most common uses for the Huepar 603CG is tile installation. When installing wall or floor tiles, maintaining perfectly straight rows is essential for a professional finish. By projecting horizontal and vertical laser lines across the work area, the tool provides a clear visual reference that allows installers to align each tile with precision. Another popular use case is drywall framing. Contractors can project a vertical laser line along a wall frame to ensure studs are aligned properly before attaching drywall sheets. The tool is also very useful during cabinet installation. Kitchen cabinets must be perfectly level to function correctly and look professional. Using the horizontal laser line, installers can quickly mark consistent mounting heights across an entire wall. Electricians and plumbers can also benefit from laser levels during layout work. Running conduit lines or pipe installations often requires accurate straight alignment across long distances. In these situations, the Huepar 603CG acts as a visual guide that improves both speed and precision. These types of job site demonstrations show why laser levels have become essential tools for modern construction professionals. Like any tool, the Huepar 603CG has both advantages and limitations. Let's start with the positives. One of the biggest advantages is excellent value for money. The tool offers features that are commonly found in more expensive professional laser levels. The three 360-degree laser planes provide full room coverage, which is extremely useful for interior layout work. Another major benefit is bright green laser visibility. Compared to red lasers, green beams are easier to see in many lighting conditions. The tool is also easy to operate, making it suitable for both professionals and serious DIY users. However, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. The Huepar 603CG is primarily designed for indoor construction use. In very bright outdoor environments, the laser lines may become harder to see without additional laser detectors. Additionally, while the build quality is solid, it may not be as rugged as some extremely high-end industrial laser levels used on heavy construction sites. Despite these limitations, the overall performance remains impressive for its price range. After examining the design, laser technology, accuracy, and real-world performance of the Huepar 603CG, we can now answer the most important question: is this laser level worth buying? For many contractors and renovation professionals, the answer is yes. The tool provides strong performance for interior construction tasks such as tile installation, drywall alignment, cabinetry layout, and electrical work. Its 360-degree laser projection system allows users to create full alignment grids inside a room, which dramatically speeds up installation work.
The green laser technology improves visibility, while the self-leveling system helps maintain accuracy with minimal setup time. Most importantly, the Huepar 603CG delivers these features at a price that is significantly lower than many premium laser-level brands. For small contractors, remodelers, and DIY builders, this makes it an attractive option. Of course, professionals working on large outdoor construction projects may still prefer higher-end laser systems with extended range capabilities. But for indoor layout work, the Huepar 603CG offers an excellent balance of performance, usability, and affordability. If you found this review helpful and want to see more in-depth construction tool reviews like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We regularly explore tools used by professionals around the world and break down how they perform in real job site conditions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.